Hello, and welcome to day 9 of our Esri Leaflet Advent Calendar tutorial series. Today we're diving into the world of heat maps, an incredible tool for visualizing data density and patterns. We'll begin with our day 1 code. To create our heat map, in the HTML, we'll need to add the Leaflet Heat and Esri Leaflet Heat Map libraries from CDN. Now in the JavaScript file, let's add a heat map layer to our map using l.esri.heat.featureLayer. We'll use our dataset of haunted places in the US. We'll also need to include a radius pixel value. The radius parameter controls the influence area of each point. Adjusting it changes how the heat is visualized from broad, diffuse areas to more distinct and concentrated spots. I'll open this up in the browser and see my heat map. Now, for today's challenge, get creative with styling your heat map by experimenting with the gradient and blur styling options. Share your findings in the comments below. Join us tomorrow as we continue to explore feature layers in Esri Leaflet by getting service metadata. Thanks for watching and happy coding.